Let's find out what's on Kunal Bothra's radar as well. He's with us in our studios. Kunal, morning. Let's get in a sense as to what exactly you're working with. 19,300 is where we wrapped up the day.
Oh, yeah, here I was texting you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. What took you so long?
Rains.
Yeah?
Mumbai rains.
Oh, you started late.
Mix of both. A mix of both.
Okay, but the markets right now, it has been raining gains, if you will, especially within the broader universe. Are we sustaining around these 19,300 levels?
Yeah, I think we should sustain about this 19,300 levels. The global setup is quite interesting. In fact, I was looking at a very interesting comparison that how the rally for our markets is completely different than the rally in the global markets and specifically the US indices. For example, in the US, the Russell 2000 index is just 10% higher from the previous swing lows, and it's still around 25 to 30% lower than the previous major highs. And you look at the other comparison, the large cap indices, the likes of Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, these indices have done reasonably well, which means that the large caps over there have performed exceptionally well as compared to our markets, where the large caps have actually underperformed. It's just in the last couple of days where you've seen some pickup in terms of large cap action, but the mid caps and right now the small caps as well are doing exceptionally well for our markets. So the texture for our markets is completely different than what's happening across the globe. And I believe that with large caps making a comeback, the signs or the chances of durability is much more higher as well as stronger. So 19,000 could now be a new base for the index or a new support, and keeping that stop loss would continue to hold on longs.
And what stocks are you betting on, Kunal?
So a couple of buy calls. Reliance remains to be the first, against the foremost large cap pick, which still looks attractive. Yesterday the stock gave a strong bullish candlestick thrusting breakout. So would suggest a buy with 2,700 as a fresh target. Stop loss at 25.50. And Jubilant Food could be another stock which is on the verge of a breakout above 505 mark. It's just closed marginally below those levels. So would suggest a buy 530 as a target. Stop loss at 485.